Hello, it's Saturday, plus 12 out. Can you imagine that? So I'm going to do a little bit more fiberglassing. So I just wanted to show you, this is what I did with the window, because I needed to fill this hole in because there's going to be a wall in the middle of it. So I'm only going to put 2 windows up top here, not 3 on each side. So I covered it with plastic. You can see here, just basically a plastic. And then I put the fiberglass right against it here, and then I put multiple layers. I put a little board in between, and that's just gone totally solid. So it's still got a bit of a gap, and there's still some finishing that needs to be done. I'm going to sand off a little bit air bubbles and stuff, but it's just a standard plastic. It didn't stick to it at all, and it comes up pretty flat actually. And then it's pretty good on the inside. I'll show you that next. It's pretty warm in here. I've got it at 20, the heater on, and this is the inside. So I just did one skin overlap, but basically I've got to fill the inside as well. And I think that was 6 layers in total, 2 in a board and then 4. No, it was 3 in a board and 3. So that's what's on that right now. So that's looking pretty good. Signing off on this one. Just gotta put a couple bolts in and then tighten that up. But, that looks like it's in a lot better shape. Hello, it's pretty damn cold, so I'm back to sanding and building frames. I can't do any fiberglassing. Just as a final summary, I got my last piece in. When the temperature gets a bit better, I'm going to finish sanding or fiberglassing, just like this piece here. So I need to skin one more piece around the corner, and then to make this groove smooth, here, and then same with this outside corner edge here. So I'm just going to keep going except that I want to leave this blank here just for the temporary, because I'm thinking of putting some LED lightings into the wall here, so I have some lighting coming down at night. I want one light here, so I want to put some electrical in through the wall here, just so that when I mount an LED, I like to do some kind of inset light, but have it shining down on the steps. That way it's nice and bright. Same when I do the wall on this side. But yeah, so it's starting to come together. It's starting to look like it's got a bit of shape and fullness to the walls. So I just have to fill the rest in with some fiberglass, and then sand and shape, just like this here. So this was done the same method. My captain's table. So basically this is getting very smooth now. And that was all done with the same. I just put one more sketch coat just to fill in these last few little bumps. That's it. It's getting pretty good. This is my settee. And I need another warm day to finish my water tank. That's actually going to be a big project, but underneath my settee from here to here, I've calculated that I should be able to get, even on a triangle, about 40 US gallons of water. My water pipe is here, and the water pipe is going to come down and in to a fiberglass tank. So what I want to do is I want to build it as part of the hull, so that it's not on top of the hull. It's actually going to utilize the hull for a part of the tank. So it'll be kind of like an integrated water tank under the settee. In the front here, I'm going to build myself just a little storage locker, probably for blankets and whatnot for the settee. I'd like to have right underneath there. And this one big piece here will be the water tank, and then the water tube is going to come underneath the floor and pump up into the sink, which is right here. So this will be the access control here right underneath. So I've still got to work that in, how I'm going to do that. But like I said, it's coming together. Cheerio. Finishing the tie-in. I worked on the closet there earlier today. So that's two sides, both these sides are done. And I just decided to get the outside of the